Hi friends, welcome to howto Racer 91, and today's video you are going to learn how to insert a page in PDF file. I'm going to show a very simple technique to insert the PDF file page in PDF file wherever you want, which page you want. Doesn't matter, in front, back, middle, in between some pages. It's as per your requirement. For that we need one software. We are using here Nitro Pro PDF software. It's a very good software and very user friendly one, and you can edit almost all PDF files with this software. I strongly recommended this one because very user friendly and easy to do. Even if it's a beginner also, you can easily do with this. You can do the job with this software. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, before going into the tutorial, I want to say one thing. My channel is already got approval for the memberships, and so I can acquire memberships for my viewers. So if you love my videos or love my contents, just feel free to give thanks through the perks or join my videos, join my channel, so that I will get a good support from you. So it's a great inspiration for me to keep on making videos for you guys with uh, without any like a bigger cost. So I hope people are enjoying my videos. But okay, show your thanks through it. It will be very helpful for me. And okay, let's get into the tutorial now. Here I am already opened the Nitro Pro PDF software. So first we will open. This is just an example for showing how to insert a separate image or a PDF into one of the already created PDF files. So let's see. Okay, very simple. I'm just showing the rough method. Okay, first we will open the base PDF file which you want to insert the another PDF file into it. So I already created. We have a PDF file here. Then you have to go to edit, insert. You can insert from file the other PDF file which is saved in your computer. Also, you can directly scan the image and directly insert to the to your base PDF. Also, there is an option insert from clipboard. Also, you can insert a blank page wherever you want in this PDF file. Okay, first I will show from insert from file, then I will show insert blank page also. Okay, keep watching on me, and if you like my content, please feel free to like and comment on us, and don't forget to subscribe for more contents like this. Okay, I am clicking on insert file. Yeah, okay, so here I already created one file here. This PDF I want to insert. I just click open. Okay, see the insert pages. The insert file already name is there, and page range. It's the inserting file only having page one, only one page, so it show 1 to 1. If it is more than, it will show like this. If you click all pages will insert wherever the location you provide. So I just want only one page, so it doesn't matter we select all our page because it's only have one page. Okay, next option is place at location, before or after. Okay, before the page 2, the before page 2, that means this is page 2, it will be above page 2, or after page 2 it will be after. So we will try both. Okay, first before page 2. Okay, try to insert. Its image size is different than the file. It will show like this. We have to adjust the image size. Oh, I forgot that, but for this tutorial it's irrelevant. uh, that how to adjust the image size as per the PDF size, we'll show it in the another video. Okay, this is only for we focusing only on the inserting the PDF file. Okay, this is see, just this is the second page, and it's inserted before because we selected before. Okay, I'm undoing this. Okay, already undo the inserted file. Again, we will go to edit, insert file, select the PDF, insert. Okay, this time we will use the after page 2. Just try insert. Yeah, already inserted. See, this is the page 2. It's a page 3. Page 3, this one, page 2. So I hope you learned how to insert a file. So you can adjust the image file in Adobe Photoshop or any other image editing software. I will show it in the next video how to edit the picture size and how to compatible with the exactly our PDF file. Okay guys, I hope you understand my this tutorial, and if you have any doubts, feel free to comment us, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Thank you guys. Bye bye.